Imagine a device so powerful it doesn't just compete with your laptop, it makes your laptop feel like a relic of the past. Today, we aren't just looking at another incremental update. We are witnessing the birth of a new era in mobile computing. The benchmarks are shattering records, and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially poised to change the rules of the game. If you think you've seen everything a tablet can do, think again. From a display that defies physics to a system that finally eliminates the need for a desktop, we are diving into the details that prove why your current setup is about to become obsolete. Let's talk about the visual revolution. For years, we've tolerated that small notch on the world's most beautiful screens. But for the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, Samsung is perfecting the invisible sensor hidden beneath a 14.6-inch Tandem OLED panel. Imagine a canvas that is pure screen, from edge to edge, pushing a staggering 3000 nits of peak brightness. Whether you're a creator editing 8K footage or watching a blockbuster under direct sunlight, this display is quite literally the new gold standard. It's thinner, it's brighter, and it's more immersive than anything else currently on the market. But beauty is nothing without brains, and this is where the Tab S12 Ultra gets incredible. Beneath that aerospace-grade Grade 5 titanium chassis lies the heart of a beast, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Early reports aren't just beating other tablets, they're rivaling high-end desktop silicon. We are looking at a 24GB RAM variant. 24GB of high-speed memory in a tablet that's barely 5mm thick. For the power users who demand seamless multitasking, this means you can run professional video suites, dozens of browser tabs, and heavy AI processing simultaneously without a single stutter. This isn't just about raw speed, it's about intelligence. The system now features a predictive workflow environment. If you're a designer, the tablet automatically optimizes the haptic S Pen settings the moment you open your canvas. If you're a coder, it reconfigures the window management for maximum efficiency. It's an intelligent ecosystem that learns how you work. This is the first time a tablet has felt like it actually adapts to your needs in real time. Now, let's consider the build quality. Samsung is moving away from standard aluminum and embracing Grade 5 titanium. This isn't just for show. It makes the S12 Ultra significantly more rigid while actually reducing the weight. It feels like a piece of precision jewelry in your hand, yet it's tough enough to handle the rigors of a constant travel lifestyle. And for those of you who are tired of carrying heavy chargers, the move to 80-watt ultra-fast charging is a game-changer. You'll be able to juice up this massive 11,600 mAh battery from 0 to 50% in less time than it takes to grab a coffee. You might be wondering about the cameras. While most people don't use a 14-inch tablet for photography, the S12 Ultra is reinventing its sensors for the era of professional video conferencing. The dual front-facing setup is replaced by that invisible lens that supports 4K eye tracking. It ensures you're always in focus and centered during those high-stakes board meetings or creative check-ins, even if you're moving around the room. On the back, we're seeing a refined dual-lens system with enhanced AI low-light processing, perfect for scanning documents in dim offices or capturing quick reference shots for your projects. The ecosystem play here is also massive. The Tab S12 Ultra is designed to be the command center for your entire tech life. The integration with your smartphone and wearable devices is tighter than ever. You can start an edit on your phone and have it instantly appear on the Ultra's massive canvas with zero latency. It's a level of fluidity that creates a truly seamless digital workspace. There is one detail that has the tech community talking, and it's something you need to consider before you plan your purchase. While the internal storage is expected to start at 256 GB and go all the way up to a massive 2 TB, the premium nature of these materials means the investment will be significant. However, when you consider that this replaces your laptop, your drawing tablet, and your high-end media center, value starts to look a lot more attractive. It is the most advanced piece of mobile hardware ever created. We are also seeing a new Creator Suite accessory, a redesigned keyboard folio with a glass trackpad and mechanical feel keys that makes the typing experience indistinguishable from a premium laptop. When you snap the S12 Ultra into this dock, it doesn't just feel like a tablet with a keyboard, it feels like the future of the workstation. Based on consistent industry patterns and the latest supply chain reports, we are looking at a late summer or early autumn launch. Pre-orders usually go live immediately after the announcement, and the trade-in deals will be the best way to snag this device. Think about what this means for your daily routine. No more lugging around a heavy laptop bag. No more squinting at a small screen while you're trying to be productive on a plane or in a cafe. The S12 Ultra represents the moment where the tablet finally outgrows its reputation as a secondary device. This is a primary machine, capable of handling everything from high-end gaming to professional color grading. The thermal management has also seen a massive overhaul. With a new vapor chamber cooling system that's 30% larger than the previous generation, you can push that Snapdragon chip to its absolute limits without thermal throttling. This means consistent performance during long gaming sessions or while rendering complex 3D models. The S Pen experience has been refined to the point where the latency is virtually non-existent. It feels like ink on paper. For artists and note-takers, the friction has been tuned to provide just the right amount of tactile feedback, making it the most natural digital drawing experience available today. Every single component, from the quad speaker system tuned by premium audio engineers to the reinforced glass, has been engineered to provide a luxury experience. This isn't just a tool, it's a statement. It's for the person who refuses to compromise on power or portability. As we look toward the official release, the excitement is building for a reason. This device represents the peak of what is currently possible in mobile engineering. It challenges our definitions of what a computer should look like and how it should function. Does the removal of the notch and the jump to 24 GB of RAM make this a must-have for you, or are you holding onto your current device for another year? The shift toward titanium and the massive leaps in AI-driven productivity are hard to ignore. If you want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest in-depth looks and tech breakdowns, make sure you are staying tuned. We are constantly monitoring the supply chain to bring you the most accurate information possible. This has been a deep look into the future of the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. The landscape of mobile technology is shifting, and we are here to help you navigate it. Every year we see small steps forward, but every few years, we see a giant leap. The S12 Ultra is that leap. It's the culmination of years of research into foldable tech, under-display sensors, and high-density battery chemistry. It's the device that finally bridges the gap between the mobility of a phone and the sheer power of a workstation. When you hold this device, you aren't just holding a tablet, you're holding the result of thousands of hours of engineering precision. From the way the light hits the titanium edges to the instant response of the 1000 Hz touch sampling rate, every detail is designed to disappear so you can focus on your work or your entertainment. We are moving into a world where the hardware becomes invisible and the experience becomes everything. The Tab S12 Ultra is the clearest vision of that world we have seen yet. Thank you for listening to this full breakdown. Keep your eyes on the horizon, because the way we work and play is about to change forever. Stay informed, stay prepared, and as always, stay ahead of the tech curve. We will see you in the next deep dive into the technology that is shaping